Alright, what's next? White box. Small and light. Oh, wow. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's a blank box. Yep. One custom oil pump. So this is a ProFlow oil pump. Zipper Performance used to sell these. So these are aftermarket racing pumps. This is complete, looks new. It's missing the drive shaft that drives it, so without that it's hard to make it work. So this is all made in sections, all billet. This is the release section up in here. These are obviously the bolts here. Come on, it's just loose. So, looks brand new. It's a gerotor pump. Not a gear pump like a regular Harley is. It's all ball bearing supported, not bushing or just rubbing on the block. They're all dowel pinned together, O-ring sealed. These are made back in the... They were making these in the 90s, but they started making them in the 80s. They're dual bolt patterns. See how it's got an oval here in the slot? That means it fits both early and late case. They changed the bolt pattern in 92. So this here being slotted early is in, late is out. So this is your other section here. It's another it's a big gear pump on the suction side. Okay, let's hold this thing together. Key in there, which is already out, so it should drop. There we go. So this has two big massive gears in here. So it's got some scratches in here, so it's been used. Hasn't been used much, that's for damn sure. Looks like they already put some trash through it. Didn't take them long to run it through a bad motor. You can see it's got trash has gone through already. See the chunkos right there, the evidence of chunko. So they put a brand new pump on a crappy motor. Not smart. All it does is make junk parts real quick. It's not enough to hurt it. Didn't help it any, but it's gotta. That just relieves some of your pressure. There's two grooves going around it there. But that's on the return side. So this is on your suction side of it. So it'll be fine. The pressure side is over here on the gyrotor. And as long as that's clean, there's the other piece of the gyrotor. There it is. As long as this is smooth through here, you're alright. And you can see how some stuff went through. Not too bad, but it's not new. It looks new, but it ain't new. So, but it is missing a drive shaft, so that'll have to be made or steal one off of another pump. I have a few of these pumps. I collect them, so I like these. So these go on my old race bikes. I use these. So anyway, they're good pumps. They're a lot bigger than any other pumps made these days. And like I said, they haven't made them in decades, so parts are hard to find. You pretty much got to buy pumps to get parts. So I bought another pump to get parts. I got a couple used ones that are pretty trashed out, so as long as I got a drive shaft, and I should be good to go. I can make another good pump out of it. But this one's not perfect, but it's pretty nice still. Alright, what do you go? Pro Flow oil pump.